What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market, and now let's get right into it. Dow is up 0.23%, Nasdaq up 1%, and also S&P in the green 0.30% on the day. And if you look at these groups, we have technology on top, communication services, consumer cyclical, and then all the way here on bottom, energy, utilities, financial, real estate, consumer defensive. Once again, market ignoring everything, at risk on move here in the market, led by technology and communication services. And if you look at the stock market map, and look at this, guys, last 3 months, we got Amazon up 15%, Tesla 40%, and look at right here, 75% Meta, Google up 19%, Apple, the market leader, up 20%, Microsoft, another market leader, up 15%, Nvidia, another one, 69%, and look over here, AMD up 54% in last 3 months, which is basically just this year, and that is insane, guys. Completely risk on move here in the market. I mean, look at this healthcare, guys. J&J down 14%, Pfizer down 22%, LLY down 7.5%. So a lot of these stocks are taking a massive beating. And look at this right here. All these banks, Bank of America down 16%, Wells Fargo down 10%, Schwab down 33%, and this one, I took a position, I made good money today, still holding some runners. USB down 16%, and that is insane here in the market. We're seeing again a risk on move, and all these mega caps are going higher, and we're not actually in a good time right now, and not with good earnings. These stocks are just going up massively without any big reason right now, guys. So what a day here in the market, guys. And if you're day trading, it's not easy. A lot of people think you just get in and get out with money. It's not that easy all the time. I mean, look at this insanity today. All over the place. 390 came, 399.29 also came on SPY. Going all over the place. Not really going anywhere. But end of the day, getting a close above 393, holding daily 200 days as support. That is a good news here on SPY for the bulls. Now it's not looking good. We do have a bear flag playing out right here, and that could play out. If this bear flag plays out, we could see a dump off, and in that case, soon as we take out 393 and then look at today, 390, guys, we're heading down here on SPY. The next level will be down here right around 387. This bear market resistant trend line, which is acting as a support right now, and below that we could be flushing down to 385 and then 383 lower Bollinger Band, all the way down to 380 and possibly even lower. I mean, look at IWM, it's going down. We just took out December lows today, so that is coming possibly here on SPY. But only thing it's keeping this thing alive, tech sector. All the mega names, like I showed you guys, last 3 months up massively, and that's not going to bring SPY down unless we see a sell-off here in the tech sector and all these mega names, especially Nvidia, Microsoft, AMD, all of them, pretty much all of them. The only thing looking healthy, I would say Amazon. We're not seeing a massive move to the upside, but look at the other ones. Crazy move. I mean, every day Nvidia is up 10-15 bucks. Why? AI. Only reason. There is nothing going on. Even though I like Nvidia as a company, and I think long term, huge upside potential, but this run on Nvidia is insane without any catalyst. And someone actually upgraded Nvidia yesterday to 300, so more fuel to the fire. That's going up even more, and that continued today. That thing was up again. Now on SPY, 393 is going to be a key level, and then 390, 387 right here, and then watch out for 385, 383, 380, 378. To the upside, watch out where we got rejected today, right around 399, red line 50 SMA, and yesterday we got rejected at 400. So 399 to 400 needs to break and then needs to hold. Then we are going to see a move all the way up to 403 487 right here to this upper Bollinger Band, and then 408 to close the gap on top. And now we're going to look at triple Q. Now on triple Q going into tomorrow, if you look at my screen, we got upper Bollinger Band sitting at 312, and again, triple Q was trying to get ahead of itself, going all the way up to 314 again today. And if we shorted here, guys, you made money again on triple Q because levels, they don't change that often. And you can see, a clear resistance right here at 314 to 315, and this could be also a double top. Now going into tomorrow, it's still looking bullish. We need to get under 307.41 blue line 5 SMA, and that's where exactly we got the bounce today. Below that, we could be coming down to 300, and once we break 300, that's going to look more bearish here on triple Q, and then we are going to see more sell-off continuing to the downside. As of right now, triple Q is on fire. It's looking bullish. So above 300, it's bullish. It's not going to come down. Yes, we could see a pullback down to 300, but as of right now, soon as this thing breaks 314 to 315, and that holds as a support maybe next week, but we got to hold 300. Remember that 300 big support. We could see a push all the way up to 322 to close the gap on top on triple Q. So watch 307.41, and below that, we could be coming all the way back down to 300, and then more downside below that, 298, 296, red line, 50 SMA. And now we're going to look at IWM. So IWM is down 0.44% on the day, and finally taking out today, at least we got a glimpse of it today, taking out 170 December lows and coming down to 168.71, and then finally found some buyers pushing the price over 170 and holding that as a support into closing. So it's not looking good for the small caps. Yes, this thing can go down a bit more, and possibly in next few weeks we could see a new 52-week low on IWM. The way this thing is looking right now, definitely this is not a good picture on IWM. So going into tomorrow, guys, 170 is going to be key level. Below that, we could be coming down to 165, and now lower Bollinger Band will allow IWM to come all the way down to 165. 170 can hold, and if this thing finds some buyers, we're not seeing a lot of buying. I mean, look at this, low volume again today. So 170 can hold. We could see a move back up to 170 to 64, 176, and then 178. Above that, watch out for the gap. 181.28 will get closed on IWM, and that's a long shot from here, guys. That's like $10-11 from 170. So watch out here on IWM. 170 breaks, nothing stopping. We could be coming down to 165. So on DIA, if you look at my screen, yesterday we got rejected at 326, went above, especially daily 200 day. And now today, I mean, look at this. Yesterday we closed at 320 again, and today at the same place. So we got another doji indecision candle on DIA, and that is not looking good. Also, I mean, right here, it's a clear bear flag forming on DIA, and if that plays out, we could be filling this gap down here at 308. So going into tomorrow, guys, now it's trading below daily 200 day. Also, we got rejected at 324.42 today by this white line 20 SMA. So tomorrow, a big level to break would be 322, and then 324.42, 326. That's gonna look more bullish. We could see a jump all the way up to 331.68. Below 322, watch for this key support right here, 318. So many times we spent right here at 318, and soon as that gives up, this thing will come down slowly but surely down here at 308 to close this gap all the way down here. And now we're going to look at VIX. On VIX, it's up 1.57% on the day, and VIX once again, just like yesterday, getting a bounce off of this $20 support, and again today getting a bounce off of this support 20 and rallying back up to almost 25, and now trading at 22.61 at the closing. So tomorrow, key level on VIX support 20 once again, and to the upside it needs to get over 23, also align with this 5 SMA on this daily chart. $23 can break on VIX. We're going to see a jump all the way up to 25.26, 26.34, and then 28.77. And that's all I have for you guys tonight.